How I plan my travels, budgeting and itinerary tips. Introduction. Planning a trip can be both exciting and overwhelming. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, having a solid plan for your budget and itinerary can make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Here are some expert tips to help you get started. 1. Set your travel budget. Before planning any trip, determining your budget is crucial. Consider all potential expenses, including flights, accommodation, food, transportation, activities, and emergency funds. By setting a realistic budget, you can avoid overspending and financial stress during your travels. Breaking down your budget. 1. Flights. Typically one of the most significant expenses. 1. Research and book early to secure the best deals. 2. Accommodation. Choose based on your preferences and budget. 2. Options range from luxury hotels to budget hostels. 3. Food. Allocate a daily budget for meals, considering the cost of dining out versus cooking your own meals. 4. Transportation. Include costs for public transport, taxis, car rentals, and fuel if necessary. 5. Activities. Plan for entrance fees, tours, and any special experiences you wish to have. 6. Miscellaneous. Set aside funds for shopping, souvenirs, and unexpected expenses. 7. Emergency fund. Always have a contingency budget for emergencies such as medical issues or travel disruptions. 2. Research and compare costs. Use multiple booking sites to compare costs. Websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights are excellent for finding the best airfare deals. For accommodations, consider checking both hotel booking sites and vacation rental platforms like Airbnb. Useful tools for research. 1. Flight comparison websites, Skyscanner, Google Flights, Kayak. 2. Accommodation sites, Booking.com, Airbnb, Hostelworld. 3. Travel forums and blogs, Reddit, TripAdvisor, travel blogs for personal experiences and recommendations. Book flights early. Flights are usually the most significant expense. Booking early can help you get the best prices. Sign up for fare alerts from websites like Scott's Cheap Flights to receive notifications about deals. Tips for booking flights. 1. Set fare alerts. Use tools like Google Flights to monitor prices. 2. Be flexible with dates. Sometimes shifting your travel dates by a few days can significantly reduce costs. 3. Consider nearby airports. Flying into or out of a nearby airport might be cheaper. 4. Consider off-season travel. Traveling during the off-season can save you money and help you avoid crowds. Research the best times to visit your destination to enjoy lower prices and a more relaxed experience. Benefits of off-season travel. 1. Lower prices. Hotels, flights, and attractions often offer discounts. 2. Fewer crowds. Enjoy a more peaceful and immersive experience. 3. Unique experiences. Witness destinations in a different light, often with special off-season activities. 5. Create a flexible itinerary. While it's good to have a plan, leave room for spontaneity. Over-planning can lead to stress and missed opportunities. Identify a few must-see attractions and allow yourself time to explore and discover new places. Balancing planning and flexibility. 1. Prioritize must-sees. List your top attractions but remain open to changes. 2. Leave gaps in your schedule. Allow for downtime and spontaneous activities. 3. Research alternatives. Know backup options for activities in case of bad weather or closures. 6. Use public transportation. Using public transportation is often cheaper and more immersive than taking taxis or renting cars. Learn about local transit options and routes to navigate your destination effectively. Advantages of public transportation. 1. Cost-effective, save money compared to taxis and car rentals. 2. Local experience. Immerse yourself in the local culture and daily life. 3. Environmental impact. Reduce your carbon footprint by using public transit. 7. Save on accommodation. Consider staying in hostels, budget hotels, or vacation rentals to save money. Websites like Booking.com offer a wide range of options to suit different budgets. Additionally, staying in local neighborhoods can provide a more authentic experience. Accommodation tips. 1. Book in advance. Secure better rates and availability. 2. Consider alternatives. Look into house sitting, couch surfing, or home exchanges. 3. Stay longer. Some places offer discounts for extended stays. 8. Eat like a local. Avoid touristy restaurants and eat where the locals do. This not only saves money but also gives you a taste of the local cuisine. Street food and local markets are excellent for affordable and delicious meals. Eating tips. 1. Ask locals. Get recommendations for authentic dining spots. 2. Explore markets. Enjoy fresh local produce and prepared foods. 3. Try street food. Often the best flavors at the lowest prices. 9. Pack smart. Pack light and bring only essentials. Use packing cubes to organize your luggage and consider a carry-on to avoid checked baggage fees. Don't forget to pack a small first aid kit and any necessary medications. Packing tips. 1. Make a list. Ensure you don't forget important items. 2. Choose versatile clothing. Items that can be mixed and matched. Pack multi-use items. For example, a scarf that can be a blanket or a sarong. 10. Prepare for emergencies. Always have a backup plan for emergencies. Carry copies of important documents, such as your passport and insurance details, and keep them separate from the originals. Inform your bank of your travel plans to avoid issues with your credit or debit cards. Emergency preparedness tips. 1. Emergency contacts. Keep a list of local emergency numbers and contacts. 2. Insurance. Ensure you have adequate travel insurance. 3. Health precautions. Know the location of nearby hospitals and pharmacies. 11. Learn basic local phrases. Learning a few phrases in the local language can enhance your travel experience. Simple words like hello, thank you, and please can go a long way in connecting with locals and showing respect for their culture. Language tips. 1. Language apps. Use apps like Duolingo or Google Translate. 2. Phrasebook. Carry a small book or notes of essential phrases. Practice. Try using new phrases as much as possible. 12. Take free walking tours. Free walking tours are a great way to get oriented in a new city and learn about its history and culture. Many cities offer these tours, where you can pay what you feel is appropriate at the end. Benefits of free walking tours. 1. Cost-effective. Affordable way to explore and learn about a new place. 2. Local guides. Gain insights from knowledgeable locals. 3. Meet fellow travelers. Opportunity to connect with others. Conclusion. Traveling can be one of the most rewarding experiences if planned well. By budgeting wisely and creating a flexible itinerary, you can make the most of your trips without overspending. Remember, the best experiences often come from spontaneous adventures and connecting with locals.